Guys, real quick, today here at Jdtco, we're going to do a quick little demo and PSA. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay, check it out. We sell covers for our impacts. All impacts, we got booths for. Covers, condoms, whatever you want to call them. People are like, I don't need that. Let me show you why it's always a good reason to put a cover on your impact. Milwaukee is covered by a 5-year warranty, which is the best in the industry. However, they do like to have a serial number on said tool. This guy did not have a cover, and that's what's left of his serial number, which you really can't see, right?
No.
And we'll try to send it out for warranty. They'll probably, this guy's a frequent flyer. He sends out at least a tool a week because this guy is on something. And then this guy right here had a cover. Let's see if we can get the cover off. And I guarantee the impacts are about the same age. And how's that serial number? Perfect, right?
It's on there.
Perfect. This guy will not have any problem getting his tool taken care of because it has a serial number on it. And then this guy right here, that's where the serial number should be. That's gone. It's always a good idea to take care of your tools. And one way to take care of your tools here at Jdtco is to buy cordless tool detailer. I formulated this stuff myself here in New Jersey. It's made locally. And this stuff works fantastic. So we're gonna clean these tools real quick. We sell a couple different ways. We sell a starter kit, which is gonna give you a container, a refill, a sprayer, a brush, and a rag. Then we have 1 gallon refills, or I think is that a half gallon?
No, that's like a
Quarter gallon?
quart,
I don't know, quart.
something.
But we sell all different ways. Now, right here, give a little spritzer. Hang on. I like to get a little on there. I try not to get it in the vents too much. It's just not good for it. And this gun's going to clean up pretty easy because this guy took care of it. Okay? This guy, not so much. But we're going to do a before and after. You've seen the before, and we give you a little brush for some of the tight spots, get the little grimy stuff off. And there's many guys that have done demos on this on YouTube, from Coon Trucking to CP the Tool Addict. I think his was the best, if you ask me. What do you think?
That was pretty good.
Yeah. And I'm wearing a light colored shirt today, so I put my little jacket on. Yeah. Just to stay a little clean. What do you think? You got high hopes for this one, Nick?
I don't know, that one's in rough shape.
No, this one's not bad. That one's real bad. But it'll, at the end of the day, that one will clean up too. This I can put back in the shelf for sale for new. What do you think? And guys, the key with these tools, if you cleaned it once a week, every other week, the tool would be like new. It's when you just leave it and let it get beat up every week. And these tools aren't cheap. Okay? Pretty good. This stuff works very, very well. And when you send it to Milwaukee, they're going to be more apt to warranty a tool that looks like it was never abused and taken care of a little bit than something that looks like it was not cared for a day in its life. I'm still going to try to clean this one up though, Nick. But look, a cover, $29 for a cover, $25, whatever, they're different prices. This is an investment. This will protect your investment. It's an investment to protect your investment. Right? $300, 25 bucks. Now this one here, we're going to do our best. Get it on there, let it soak. Wish me luck. And again, this guy didn't have a cover on this. And we could do a follow-up too and show you what if they warrantied him, if they didn't warranty him. Milwaukee's usually pretty good with their warranties, especially if you have a serial number where they can keep track of when the tool was purchased. Wow, this is bad. Remember CP's video?
I do.
It's funny, right? I haven't heard from CP. He's been kind of quiet. I'm worried about him. Okay. Let me give you just a preview.
It's definitely better.
Definitely better, right? I mean, there's only so much you could do with this one because this guy was a little rough on it. Let me clean the bottom. And again, I'm not going too crazy. They're going out for warranty. This guy sends tools back quite often. And the good news is he treats all his tools equally, Nick, right?
Definitely.
It's funny, every time I get a tool sent in, have to get a tool taken from to send in, I tell them the same thing. We'll send it out for you. Milwaukee warranty it. If you don't warranty it, I don't want to hear nothing about it. We're only a go-between. And he's like, "Rah!" I'm like, you've warranted 100 tools so far this year, and they've warranted every one. I just like to let everybody know that there's a possibility where they might be like, we ain't warranting it. But usually Milwaukee's pretty good with it. Oh, look, this is a bit, no, he's got his name engraved in there. Fancy, fancy. Okay, guys, I did the best I can do with a tool that has never had an easy day in its life. I hope you take a little bit better care of your tools than this guy. Right? And this one doesn't have a serial number on it, so I ain't gonna clean it. I'm done. Anyway, guys, $25.95 I think it is for the starter kit, and these will put a link in the thing below to get it. This stuff is very strong, and you can dilute it if you want, or you can use it straight as a concentrate. Around here we like using it straight because it works, but you can certainly dilute it down to anything you want. It's a great all-purpose cleaner, and you'd be hard-pressed to find something that's going to work better, especially for this. And the guys say, I'm going to use brake clean, and I'm going to use WD-40. You can use gasoline and dynamite. It doesn't matter. But this stuff was made for cordless tools, and it works very well. Available on the app and website. And like we always say, come for the price, stay for the tool demonstrations. Peace.